Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. Today we have an exciting topic that's very relevant in today's digital world: portfolio websites. We'll be talking about why they're essential for professionals across various fields, how they help showcase skills, and why having one can set you apart from the competition. So, let's get into it. I'm Leapy, and with me today are three amazing guests: Sarah, a web designer;
Thanks for having me, Leapy. I'm excited to dive into this topic.
Alex, a digital marketing expert;
It's such an important subject for anyone trying to make a mark online.
and Rosa, a tech innovator who works in software development.
Thanks for having me on the call, Leapy. I'm excited to chat about how portfolio websites can make a huge difference for professionals, especially in the tech space. Lip, my friend Shuchi is want to join over phone. I'm taking me her.
Welcome, guys. So, to start, let's define what a portfolio website is. Sarah, why don't you tell us what it means to have a portfolio website, especially for someone in creative or tech fields?
A portfolio website is essentially a personal website where someone can showcase their work, skills, and achievements. It's like a digital resume, but more interactive. Instead of just listing jobs or qualifications, it's a platform where you can demonstrate your skills through real examples, be it design projects, writing samples, coding work, or anything else.
Right, so it's a place to show what you've done rather than just tell people about it. Alex, from a marketing perspective, how important is it for professionals to have their own website?
In marketing, for instance, a portfolio can showcase case studies of campaigns you've run or marketing strategies you've developed. Even in tech, a portfolio is crucial, especially for developers.
A well-organized portfolio website can showcase your coding projects, GitHub contributions, or any tech innovations you've worked on. It shows you're not just another resume in a pile, you're someone with proven skills.
I agree with Alex. And in the tech world, especially, a portfolio website can help demonstrate your technical skills in a way that resumes alone can't. Whether you're a developer or a designer, showing real code, apps, or products you've worked on can make all the difference.
So, we've established what a portfolio website is, but let's talk about how it actually helps boost your career. Sarah, can you give us some examples of how a portfolio has impacted your career?
Sure, for me, when I first started as a web designer, I didn't have much experience, but I created a simple portfolio website showcasing personal projects and freelance work I'd done. That was a game changer. Clients could see my design style, and it gave me credibility. It led to more opportunities, and over time, my portfolio evolved to reflect my growth.
That's a great example. Alex, do you think a strong portfolio can help people stand out in a competitive job market?
It's incredibly important. A portfolio website is like your personal brand's online headquarters. It's where potential employers or clients can learn about your work and get a feel for who you are. In today's digital age, everything is online. And if you don't have an online presence, you're essentially invisible. A good portfolio website can increase your chances of being found, hired, or even booked for freelance work.
Exactly. And in the tech space, where competition is fierce, a portfolio can serve as a practical demonstration of your abilities. For example, if you're a software developer, instead of just stating you can code, you can link directly to your GitHub or a demo of a project you've worked on. It gives potential employers confidence in your skills.
Let's talk about what makes a portfolio website successful. Sarah, from your experience, what are some must-have elements of a great portfolio site?
First and foremost, it should be clean, easy to navigate, and mobile-friendly. You want visitors to immediately understand who you are and what you do. Another key element is having a well-organized portfolio section with categories based on the type of work you do. For instance, a designer might have different galleries for web design, branding, and illustrations.
It's not just about having a resume anymore. It's about having a story. A portfolio website helps tell that story. For example, in fields like graphic design, photography, or writing, a traditional resume doesn't cut it. You need to have samples that highlight your best work. A portfolio lets you do that in a way that no paper resume can.
Right, so it's not just about throwing everything up there. It's about making sure your work is presented well. Alex, what else do you think people need to consider when building their portfolio site?
One thing I always recommend is including testimonials. If you've worked with clients or have positive feedback from colleagues, showcasing that on your site adds a lot of credibility. You also want to have an About Me section that's personal and engaging. Let people know your story and your approach to work.
Portfolio websites beyond creative fields, 4MINS. Now, a lot of people associate portfolio websites with creative professionals, but they can be just as important for people in other fields.
I believe they're here to stay. As the digital world keeps expanding, personal branding will only become more important. A portfolio website is a timeless way to present yourself online, and with tools like HeyGen and others, it's easier than ever to build one.
Definitely. For a tech professional, a portfolio website should also include links to any open source contributions, coding projects, or even blog posts you've written about tech topics. This helps establish your authority and showcases your expertise. You can demonstrate your coding proficiency through real examples rather than just listing programming languages on your resume. For example, showing a live demo of a website or an app you've built makes your expertise much clearer.
I agree. Plus, with advancements in AI and virtual reality, we might even see portfolio websites evolve to include interactive or immersive elements. Who knows, in a few years, we might be able to build entire virtual offices or showcases.
Guys, let's listen what I understand from the podcast. A portfolio website is more than an online resume. It's your personal space to showcase skills, work, and achievements. It builds trust, credibility, and helps you stand out. Sarah's creativity, Alex's case studies, and Rose's linked projects showed how portfolios can transform careers. Start small, focus on your best work, and keep it authentic. A portfolio is your digital handshake and an investment in your future.
Okay, guys, please everyone subscribe this channel for helping the developers.
See you next time, everyone. Keep building and stay connected.